LS Subaru. Not a Subaru diff. Not a Subaru diff going into a Subaru. Wonder how long this bad boy will last. How long?
How long for what? Till it blows up?
Yeah, NA.
It's gonna live.
It's what?
It's gonna live.
Yeah, you know, I got a Ford 9-inch in the truck. But that's gonna live.
That's gonna live.
So this cute little thing, will it hold up to the power? Nope, probably not. So, updates on the Scooby. Got her notched out for the rad to fit in. Got the steering shaft in. Started boxing up this cross member. So we gotta drop the engine in one more time. Then we can finish welding it all up. But she's getting there. Soon. Soon. This will have an LS for permanent. And we need a custom drive shaft. There's a lot left. Well, good news today, finally. We got the seal for the transmission, so I got my coffee, gonna head over. We're gonna put a V8 and transmission to a Subaru. It's time for real. So we got the cross member all done, everything's done, steering's done. So yeah, we got bolted in, weld up the boxing on the cross member, and ready to party. We might drive in the next 2 days. So I leave for the mountains tomorrow. So hustle. Hopefully driving tomorrow. So let's get there and put shit together.
You wanna go try the other side to the front?
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So much fun. Oh, you dick.
Yeah. No Subaru today, we're on the truck.
Well, I figure we may as well get the truck less shitty and then work on the shittier shitty.
What did we do today that we would not recommend?
Don't lift the front end of a Ford.
Well, I meant the dropping the fucking axle on you, but that works
Yeah,
too.
drop axles on yourself.
Subaru next. Right, so here we are, Kyle. Working on the Subaru. Doing an engine swap. And we finally got, what did we do?
A lift kit in the front of the Ford, and it was a nightmare.
How many hours?
What time is it?
Couldn't tell you, it's been a few hours.
It's been about 3 or 4.
Judging by the angle of the sun.
About 5 hours.
And if we go back 3 hours. Oh, we're gonna do an engine swap.
Yeah, we're
gonna put the trans.
The engine in.
We could drive the Subaru tomorrow, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And at this rate, we might have a truck that we can drive tomorrow at this rate.
Mm-hmm.
You want to show them what you did get working? Lifted forward, so of course, with that, what do we need? Scares the shit out of me every time. But, boom. Boom. Stance Nation. Fucking hate Fords. I hate Fords. Always hand torque, all fasteners. Spinning at 7,000 RPM. How'd you say it's going?
Well, hopefully this will go better than that.
Yeah. 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 Woo! That was a good time for you on. Hey, buddy. Ooh.
That's how I feel. Ooh. I have such a raging clue right now.
Well, it's pretty official now. That's a big old LS swap right there, buddy.
Gotta finish putting bolts in.
Some mean sleeper status. So, clearly fought us every step of the way, huh?
Any place it could.
So, next steps, everything else. It's pretty beautiful though. Got another first start coming, I feel, huh?
Pretty soon.
That's fucking neat. Well, I'd say that's calling it a day. Got a pretty good setup there. Don't know when I'll be out here next, but we're gonna get shit done. Got a lot left. Got a lot left on this. Anyway, more to come. Start up soon.